Welcome back to the Chris Tech channel, where we uncover the coolest, most innovative gadgets you never knew you needed. Rocket from tech upgrades to everyday lifesavers, these products are about to change how you live, work, and play. Whether you're a gadget lover, a busy professional, or just looking to make life easier, you're in the right place. We've uncovered the most ingenious products you never knew you needed. Stay tuned, because your life is about to get a whole lot easier, smarter, and fun. So grab your notepad and let's dive into these incredible gadgets that will blow your mind. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Gadgets you never knew you needed. The concept of gadgets you never knew you needed focuses on highlighting innovative and unexpected products that solve problems in creative ways. These gadgets often cater to niche needs but have broad appeal once discovered, ranging from tech enthusiasts to everyday consumers. This guide will provide a detailed look into the topic, its appeal, and specific examples. What makes these gadgets special? Innovation. These gadgets often utilize clever designs or cutting-edge technology to solve problems in ways that people never thought possible. Practicality. While they may seem unconventional at first, these gadgets tend to become essential once people realize their utility. Surprise factor. Many of these items aren't widely known, which makes discovering them exciting. They evoke a "why didn't I think of this before?" reaction. Versatility. These gadgets can appeal to various aspects of life, whether it's organization, health, cooking, or travel. Examples of gadgets you never knew you needed. 1. For the home. Smart trash can, opens and closes automatically to make disposal hands-free and hygienic. Cordless electric screwdriver, compact, rechargeable, and easy to use for quick DIY tasks. Magnetic spice rack, attaches to your fridge to save counter and cabinet space. Reusable silicone food lids, stretchable lids that fit over bowls and containers to replace plastic wrap. 2. For the kitchen. Herb stripper tool, quickly removes leaves from stems for cooking. Automatic soap dispenser, ideal for hygienic hand washing. 2-in-1 cutting board, comes with a collapsible colander for washing and chopping in one place. Milk frother, makes cafe-style drinks like lattes and cappuccinos at home. 3. For travel. Portable door lock, adds extra security to your hotel or Airbnb stay. Compression packing cubes, organize your clothes and save luggage space. Collapsible water bottle, compact and lightweight for easy packing. Noise-cancelling earbuds, essential for flights or noisy environments. 4. For the office. Adjustable laptop stand, improves posture while working. Cable management organizer, keeps all your cords in place and untangled. Smart sticky notes, reusable, erasable sticky notes for brainstorming. Desktop vacuum cleaner, small and powerful, perfect for cleaning keyboards. 5. For personal care. Helps you sit and stand with proper alignment. Heated eye massager, relieves tension and promotes relaxation after long screen hours. Electric scalp massager, improves circulation and reduces stress. UV sanitizer box, kills germs on phones, keys, and other small items. 6. For fitness and wellness. Smart water bottle, tracks hydration levels and reminds you to drink water. Wearable resistance bands, adds extra resistance to everyday movements for fitness enthusiasts. Mini massage gun, compact yet powerful for relieving muscle soreness. Sleep headphones, comfortable, noise-blocking headbands with built-in speakers. Why these gadgets are so popular? 1. Solves everyday problems. These gadgets often address issues that seem small but can make a significant difference, like keeping cords untangled or simplifying meal prep. 2. Affordable and accessible. Most of these products are budget-friendly, making them accessible to a wide range of people. Platforms like Amazon have made discovering such gadgets easier than ever. 3. Social media buzz. Many of these gadgets gain popularity through TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube videos where creators showcase their features, creating viral trends. 4. Gift-worthy appeal. These items make excellent gifts because they're often unique and practical, appealing to people who enjoy quirky or clever tools. Where to find these gadgets? Amazon. Home to thousands of hidden gems with customer reviews and ratings to guide your purchase. Categories like Amazon Finds are popular for these types of products. Specialty stores like Brookstone, Uncommon Goods, or Sharper Image often carry niche and innovative gadgets. Crowdfunding platforms, websites like Kickstarter and Indiegogo are excellent places to discover cutting-edge gadgets before they hit the mainstream market. Social media platforms, many creators share recommendations for these types of gadgets through unboxing and demo videos. Thanks for watching today's video on gadgets you never knew you needed. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. If you're ready for more exciting finds and life-changing tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. And hey, why not share this video with a friend who loves gadgets as much as you do? We'll see you in the next video.